how to show you're playing Roblox on Discord. So if you want to show you're playing Roblox on your Discord, then what you need to do is first open up your Discord. So you can go for your Discord application, or you can open up your Discord on your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you open your Discord, make sure to log into your account. So once you open Discord, now you can go for user settings, and under your user settings, you need to simply search for activity privacy. Here you will have activity privacy. Click on that and make sure that you have toggled all of these on. So if you have turned that off, toggle that on. And once you've toggled that on, now simply click on yes, and then we'll just remove this one and open up your Roblox. And now it will automatically appear on your Discord. But if it doesn't appear, then what you need to do is you need to add that manually. If it has not been added, then you need to add that manually. So to add that manually, you need to simply go for registered games, and under registered games, here you have no games added, right? So you need to add your Roblox. So you need to simply go for add it, and here you will have Roblox option. Go for Roblox and then add the game. And once you've added the Roblox on your Discord, now it will show you're playing Roblox on your Discord. So that's how you can show you're playing Roblox on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.